We don't have anything special right here because everything's going to be centralized, and even if you reduce here until I don't know where, you're going to get noticed that yes, this is really responsive. What we don't want just to have is that big height occupying the 100% of the viewport, so we can simply fix that. And for me, the good place to start making that is right here at 720 pixels of width. But let me open my IDE. Let me just go to that. It's inside of my home, so let's go to find us map, and here in this, let's simply include responsiveness pixel, so EM 720, and the height, let's set it to some 60% of the viewport height. Save this. Let's check what we have as our output. It's processing. Okay, 720. Let's go. Nice. It's much better right now for me. You can decrease. If you wish to reduce even more, you can, but I'm just going to leave it how it looks right now.